the Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to show you how to solve it. So first, you need to look for these little white edge pieces, like this. So when you've found one of them, to look about the colour on the other side, and mine is green, so I need to find the green edge piece. So now, I bring that up, turn that along, and it's in place. Now I need to look for another one. I found it, and it has red on it, so on the side, sorry. So I'm going to turn it so it faces the top. I have two that are in the right place. Found another one, so I'm just going to turn that down, bring it along, move this back up. So it's underneath orange, so I need to up, then I have these three here. Now I need to find another one, my final one, sorry, which is the blue one. So I'm just going to turn that onto the top. Okay, now I'm going to look for these corner pieces that have white on. And I look at the two colours, red and green. So, since the white is on the bottom, I need to bring down the right, turn the bottom twice, lift up the right. Then I need to bring this so it's, because red's on the bottom, I need to bring it so that it's like under with red. So now I need to turn it to the right, bring the left down, turn it left, pull it back up. And there is the corner piece. Now I need to find another one, and I found it here. It has green on the bottom, so turn it so that it's under green. Turn that to the right, bring that down, turn it back, and lift it up. Now I find another one which I have found, which has blue on the bottom, orange on the side. So I hold it here, turn to left, bring down the right, bring it along, turn it back up. Now I have to find another one which is here. And this has red here and green on the bottom. So, well, blue on the bottom. So I hold it underneath blue, turn this down, this along, this up. Now I'm looking for edge pieces that don't have yellow on. So there's none on the bottom. So I look at the sides and I've got one here. So I need to bring that down, turn that along, lift that up. But it's come off with my corner. So I need to bring that down, turn that along, and lift that up. Now I have my edge piece, and it's red and green. So to bring it underneath red, turn it away from green, bring down the left, turn it back, lift that up. Then to place it back in, I need to turn that down, bring that back along, lift that up. I have my first edge piece in. I'm going to do this with all the others. So here, bring that down, turn that along, lift that one up, bring that down, bring that up there. Then bring this one underneath blue because it has blue on the top, red on the bottom, so I turn it away from red, bring that down, bring that up back along, bring that up, then put it back in, bring that to the left, bring the right down, bring it back, lift it up. Okay, now I just need to do two more. So put one here. is just exactly the same as I've just told you how to do. So now they're all in place, it should look a bit like this. It needs to have all these along there, 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 and all these along there. Then you need all white on the top. So then we flip it upside down and we see this. So bring that like that, lift that down. Is that actually what happens? I don't think so. Wait, how do you do it? So bring that clockwise. Wait, is it? No, it's not, is it? Well, I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Part 2, that will be called. So